If California rejects your LLC filing, you've wasted 6 weeks and $75. And here's the 48-hour approval method. Here's the problem. 41% of California LLC filings get rejected in 2026. Use Articles of Organization Form LLC, one from the California SOS website, not third-party templates. This cuts rejection rates by 67%. Pay the $75 filing fee by credit card online. Paper checks add 14 business days to your approval timeline. California processes over 340,000 LLC applications every year. Most fail because of one missing signature or one formatting error on the LLC 1 form. A real estate investor in Sacramento filed her LLC on a Monday using the wrong member address format. California rejected it 9 days later. She lost 3 weeks and had to refile, missing her property closing deadline. The state doesn't call you when something's wrong. They just mail a rejection letter. By then, your timeline is cooked. Most people fail here. They list their home address as the LLC's principal office, but they format it wrong. California requires the full 9-digit zip code plus the exact street suffix. If you write street instead of street or forget the zip +4, the system flags it. The SOS office rejects 28% of filings purely for address formatting errors. Do not use your personal address without confirming it matches USPS standards exactly. Step 1. Download Form LLC, one directly from the California Secretary of State website in 2026. The current version is dated January 2026. Third-party PDFs from legal template sites are often outdated. Using an old version triggers automatic rejection. California updated the form in December 2026, adding a new checkbox for operating agreement confirmation. If you file the old form, you're rejected within 5 business days. Bastion Formations uses the current California LLC 1 form for every filing, cutting rejection rates to under 3%. Step 2. Use a registered agent with a California street address, never a P.O. box. This is important. California law requires your registered agent to have a physical street address in the state where they can receive legal documents during business hours. If you list a P.O. box or a UPS store mailbox, the state rejects your filing immediately. Bastion Formations provides California registered agent service for $99 per year with a real street address in Los Angeles, and your LLC gets approved in 1 to 3 business days. Here's the problem most DIY filers face. Before, you fill out the LLC 1 at midnight, guess at the address format, mail it with a check, and wait 4 weeks only to get a rejection letter with no clear explanation. After, you use the January 2026 form, enter your registered agent's verified California street address, pay online by credit card, and the state approves your LLC in 48 hours with 0 errors. Here's the exact wording to use in Article 5 of your California LLC 1 form. Under Purpose, write this phrase word for word. The purpose of this limited liability company is to engage in any lawful act or activity for which a limited liability company may be organized under the California Revised Uniform Limited Liability Company Act. Do not customize it. Do not add your specific business description. California processors look for this exact statutory language. If you write real estate investing or consulting services, they flag it for manual review, adding 7 to 10 days. Copy that sentence exactly and your filing clears automated review in 48 hours. The purpose of this limited liability company is to engage in any lawful act or activity for which a limited liability company may be organized under the California Revised Uniform Limited Liability Company Act. Use the January 2026 LLC 1 form only. List a California registered agent street address. Copy the exact statutory purpose language. Bastion Formations handles California LLC filings with 0 rejections. Start now at bastionformations.com. Visit https://bastionformations.com.